Let the Bible Speak with your speaker, Brett Hickey.
Have you ever wondered whether the Lord is more honored under the new covenant by worship in song without musical instruments? We hope you will consider this morning, with an open mind, reasons why God is pleased when we worship with singing only. A religious trend gaining momentum in the United States is that the optimal practices are the new and improved. Being just like the church you can read about in the New Testament is to many people an outdated approach to Christianity. The testimony of history is conclusive. Not only was church music entirely vocal, but all other music was banned by early Christians as something pagan. We've shown from encyclopedias, history, and prominent scholars within denominations that today use instruments of music, that the music made by early Christians in corporate worship was only vocal. This truth is confirmed by Scripture.